Okay, so this is a question about energy being dissipated. We might not be sure what that means, but we know that energy cannot be created or destroyed. So that rules out A and it rules out D. Then we have a look at B. We're not really sure about B. I mean, energy changing into every possible form of energy doesn't sound very likely. So let's have a look at C, where the energy spreads out among the objects and their surroundings. And that's actually a definition of dissipating energy. Energy goes to the surroundings. Happens all the time, usually it's heat and sound. So the second question is kind of related. You've actually got an energy change. Quite often we have questions where you start off with potential energy at the beginning and you end up with kinetic energy and you lose some energy dissipated as heat. So what we're going to do in this case is work out the potential energy, and we find that 25% of it has been transferred to thermal energy. So it means we've only got 75% of it left for kinetic energy. We don't even have to work out the velocity. We can just put in the mgh to work out the potential energy in the beginning, and then we just find 75% of that because it's lost the 25%. Okay, so if we do the calculation, the mass is 1.2 kilograms, the gravitational field strength is 10 newtons per kilogram, and the height is 30 meters. So if we do the calculations, 75% of that ends up being 270 joules. So the answer is C. 360 joules was the total energy in the beginning. So 270 is the remaining.